How to create Add Yours music template on Instagram story. Hello everyone. Are you familiar with the new Instagram update that brought us some interesting features? One of the novelties is the Add Yours music feature. With this option, we can create and share our music template. Anyone can use this music template in their own story, including any photos you have added. Let me show you how to create yours. Open Instagram and add a video or photo to your story. You can also add other elements and filters that you like. To create a music template, click on the sticker icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see the available stickers, including the one we'll use today. If you don't see them, update your Instagram app. From the offered stickers, select the Add Yours Music sticker. A window for adding music will appear. Anyone can see content included in the background when they add to your template. Now, click on the plus sign and choose a song of your choice. As you can see, the song is added to this window, which we can position and resize. The first time you use this feature, you'll also receive additional explanations about it. Anyone can use this music template in their own story, including any photos you have added. This template can be used after your story expires unless you delete the template. If you want to delete your template, you can do this from the archive. People can see that you created this template. Finally, I'll share the story and show you how it looks in the end. When someone opens your story and clicks on Add Yours, they can use your template for their story and add their music. That's all for this tutorial. Write to us in the comments if you like this Instagram feature. Follow our channel to stay up to date with digital novelties.